Now, since we are talking about education, here's some very good news for people staying in Ajman, because Ajman now has its first IGCSE curriculum school. It's called the Bloomington Academy. The Bloomington Academy, the first British curriculum school in Ajman, aims to inspire the pupils from FS to AS level to have a passion for learning.
The Lazar Group, we've been operating in schools for about 28 years, and it's always been an Indian curriculum school. Our next venture was always we were supposed to venture in a new curriculum. In Ajman, there is no British curriculum as of yet, so we've decided to go ahead with the Bloomington Academy.
The education programs are based on the national curriculum for England.
CBSE has now implemented for the past few years CCE pattern. That means there are formative assessments and summative assessments. So a child gets for what he has been doing in every day. So he is assessed for that. So I would say that CBSE, like British curriculum, has become more student friendly.
Needs of each student in order to help them realize their potential in academic, social, emotional, cultural and physical development.
The vision is to provide a signature school. Each classroom would have ICT facility, which is projectors, and learning methods would be as latest as possible.
This is achieved through a balanced curriculum that is a blend of both traditional and modern values.
For the Bloomington Academy, the first year it will be from FS1 to grade 6. FS1, as usual, there is no entrance exam for them, only interview with the child and the parent. For FS2, it will be only small exam about the colors, about like this, just to know about the student scale, ability to learn just like this. But from grade 1 to grade 6, it will be the entrance exam for them, the interview. This is the admission. This is the first step for that. After that, we will go for the second, the documents, submitting the documents, registration, like this it will be.